Education Math Preparation Kindergarten between Bentham High School. Today I'm going to talk about the quantum age between potentials and challenges. For the introduction, the phrase the quantum age between signals and computer shift in technology, science and industry unify the emerging capabilities of quantum mechanics, particularly quantum computing, communication and testing. This ends overview of the potentials and challenges as this new era unfolds. Now let's talk about potentials of the quantum age. Number one, quantum computing, unprecedented computational power. Quantum computers explore superposition and entanglement to solve problems that are practically impossible for classical computers. Applications for quantum computing. Number one, cryptography, shattering traditional encryption, but also enabling quantum-safe cryptographic system. Number two, drug discovery, simulating molecular interactions with extreme accuracy. Number three, material science, discovering new materials with custom properties. Number four, optimization, revolutionizing logistics, finance, and energy system through faster, more effective solutions. Number two, quantum communication. Point number one, unbreakable encryption. Quantum key distribution QKD enables non-transecure communication by detecting yields dropping via quantum principles. Number two, global quantum network. Early-stage quantum internet prototypes aim to connect quantum devices securely across vast distances. Number three, quantum sensing. Number one, high-precision measurements. Quantum sensors can detect changes in gravity, time, or magnetic fields at levels beyond classical limits. Number two, use cases are mapping, medical imaging, navigation without GPS, and monitoring brain activity. Now let's talk about challenges of the quantum age. Number one, technological hurdles. Point number one, hardware limitations. Current quantum systems are fragile, error prone and limited in qubit count. Noisy intermediate scale quantum or NISQ devices. Number two, error correction. Developing fault tolerant quantum computers requires breakthroughs in error correction and qubit stability. Number two, security risks. Point number one, post quantum threats. Powerful quantum computers could break widely used cryptographic systems like RSA and ECC, threatening digital infrastructure. Number two, race to upgrade. Governments and companies are scrambling to implement quantum resistant algorithms. Number three, resource and talent constraints. Number one, limited expertise. There's a shortage of quantum trained engineers, physicists, and software developers. Number two, high cost. Quantum technologies require complex infrastructure, such as ultra low temperature and specialized materials. Number three, ethical strategic concerns. Number one, geopolitical competition. Quantum technology is becoming a strategic priority, raising concerns about a new kind of quantum arms race. Number two, dual use technologies. Quantum advances could be used for surveillance or advanced weapon system. The road ahead, hybrid system. Near-term quantum computers will work alongside classical supercomputers for real-world applications. Number two, commercializations. Companies like IBM, Google, and startups such as IonQ and Rigetti are racing to develop scalable platforms. Number three, international collaboration. Initiatives like the EU Quantum Flagship The US National Quantum Initiatives and China's massive investment highlight global momentum. And for our conclusion, the quantum age represents a paradigm shift on par with the classical computing revolution. But it's still in its early stage. While the potentials are transformative, realizing them requires decades of sustained innovation, investment, and international cooperation. Thank you.
Okay, so that is a good presentation.